Budgeting in QuickBooks can be a useful tool for budgeting your income and expense accounts. To get started, click the gear icon, and then under Tools, click Budgeting. To add your first budget, click Add Budget, and give it a name. Next, enter the fiscal year, and then choose the interval. How do you want to actually enter your budget data? Let's suppose that we want to enter a quarterly budget. We can then choose pre-fill data if we want to use actual data from previous periods. And then finally, we can subdivide by. So we can choose to do a budget by customer or even by class. We'll leave this field as it is for now. That's the first step in setting up a budget. Click the Create Budget button in the bottom right corner to save your first budget. Now, we can enter a line item for each of the accounts on our income and expense accounts. First, we'll enter our sales. You'll notice that it brought in this year's actual sales. We can change this if we need to. If you want to copy across, click the blue arrow and QuickBooks will copy it across for the remainder of the row. As we scroll down, we can then add different line items. Now we can add more details about our expenses. Add as much detail as needed. When you've created as much information in your budget as possible, click Save. QuickBooks saves your budget. We can close by clicking the X, and now we see our new budget on our Budgets page. There are two key reports to create when working with budgets. First, go to the Reports menu and type in the search field, Budget. First, you can see your budget overview. This report will give you a detailed breakdown of what you have entered for your budget. The other report that's useful, if you go back to the report list, is the budget versus actual. This report will give you a detailed breakdown of your actual spending, your budget, and the dollar over your budget, as well as the percent over your budget. All of this is done automatically by entering your budget and then entering your day-to-day transactions, including sales and expenses, and QuickBooks will calculate and deliver this report as a preset report in QuickBooks. Note that the budget is the most important part of getting set up. Entering the budget correctly with as much detail as possible will provide you with great reporting from QuickBooks.